I was like, you didn't eat that, Mama. You.
Yeah, it's so sad to see my dog sick.
Happy birthday. Kind of early, and my eyes are kind of like swollen because I was crying today. Better some few words for the missus.
Miss my missus. We are continuing praying now.
I'm so big on independence, so that's something that I really encourage Selor to be independent. What would you say at my funeral? So let's hear it. Yes! We woke up kind of early, didn't have much sleep from work. What was the other thing we did?
From family.
Oh yeah, staying up super late.
3 hours spring walk.
Wow, yes, bring what? Oh. Let me take yours. Got it on 4K. 4K.
We enjoy our week with you guys, so hope to see you guys next time. Enjoy your stay here in Sydney and say goodbye to you when you go back to Samoa.
Better some few words for the missus.
Miss my missus.
Sister, what's some few words for the mister?
Miss my mister.
Just got here to drop Becca off. It's so windy. Last of our passengers, and then it's BAU back in the Key household.
It's good to have them there. So good to have my family there. Feels like a full family for us. But yeah, it's time to back again to our normal.
Hey guys, so we're almost home. Well, not really almost home. We're 3 hours away from home, but we did pass the bulk of the traffic that was coming from Newcastle to Sydney. So we're finally in Sydney now, and Aussie and I are just trying to entertain ourselves. So I said to Aussie, like, we were doing hypotheticals, and I'm like, oh, what if we crash a car? And then he was like, you're gonna die and the driver's gonna stay alive, because usually the driver always stays alive. And I'm like, oh yeah, but you're gonna be so upset. So I was like, what would you say at my funeral? So let's hear it.
I don't say anything because it never happened.
Oh, we know it's never going to happen, but I just want to hear, you know, like I always hear a lot of people, they only talk about a person when they die. Like there's so many things that you would say at the funeral that you probably would have never said to the person who was alive. Why do we wait for death to be able to say these things to the person when we can say it to them right now?
You can say it to the person when you guys like alone, but when you put it like that.
Okay, BRB, he's going to tell it to me when we're alone. Guys, I can confirm that you definitely need to do this. I got really teary. And some of these things I did not even know that he noticed. Now it's my turn. I just finished mine, and you definitely know that I was definitely going to cry. And I've said things that I didn't even know that I had inside of me about Siosi. What did you think about it?
Just think about the life, us two. And when you say that word, it's so beautiful. And you think about your relationship with your wife or your partner, especially us. I think about our relationship. Beautiful words to remind you the love that you guys feel together. It's so beautiful. Beautiful thoughts on your mind from each other.
Thank you, babe. And I was so touched by what Aussie was saying. I was like, oh my gosh, ladies, you think that he doesn't notice? You think he can't see? Oh, he sees. But please act like you see. Anyways, if you have the chance to really have like a sentimental, deep and meaningful moment with your loved ones, to hear what's on their hearts, do it. Just to get past the death thing, just the testimony of what you would say to that person if they were no longer here. It would be better for them to hear it while they still can. I couldn't help but cry because it was really and truly coming from my heart. It's a reminder for both of us of what we have and why we love each other and how far we've come. We've had such a great big weekend with family and loved ones, a bit of both families, and a massive shout out to my own for showing up once again for Aussie's family, for loving on them as if morning. I look like crap. And the way I'm feeling is not far from that either. Just on a lunch break. I've been doing a house reset today, getting it into a good state. It bugs me so much when my house is messy. Like it's just not good. Like I can't function properly. I can't think properly. I get irritated, grumpy. So I've just been doing a bit of cleaning here and there. And I had like 5 loads of washing to do when all the guests had left. Had to wash all the bed sheets, and I washed ours as well because Bear is always lying on it. In fact, he's lying on it right now. And vacuumed, took the trash out, which usually Mum Becca does. I really miss her. I had to take the compost out first time in like months. These are my lilies. They're about blooming and it smells nice. I did a reset in here, so I changed the bed sheets in here. And I've just been using this room as a heating room. Just spread out some. This is mostly dry. And look at this little munchkin on here. See, this is exactly why I don't like him on here. Oh, that's Aussie's back of his earring. I thought that was like a booger of his. Hi, butt face. Are you a butt face?
So yeah, we just finished breakfast with the fam over here.
My failures, my hidden thoughts. And yet
So
you
yeah,
still
we
love
just
me.
listen to Brett.
Just cruising around, and we're about to listen to a prayer. Guys, my brother put me on Gracie Prayers, Grace Oasis. I listen to it every morning, so he uploads a prayer every single morning, and it's honestly been helping me so much. It's really good, and I hope you guys listen to it and enjoy it as well.
As she say, you have to listen and make sure you have that prayer in the morning to guide you from the whole day. Make sure you listen this prayer before you do all your stuff. It is so good.
Do you listen to it then?
I listened to it just now, but or the accident come if you not praying. Is that
My
true?
redeemer, my
So
savior,
yeah,
my closest
we
friend.
are continuing praying now.
Thank you for laying down your life so that
It's been quite an eventful weekend. Bear has been so sick. He's special to us. He's part of the family, so we really want him to get better. We've barely had any sleep. We've been up every 2 hours because he's just had the runs. And he's so well toilet trained that like he will ring his bell. He won't go in the house. We haven't been able to have a deep sleep because we're always half asleep trying to hear that bell. And so we're exhausted, absolutely exhausted. See, this is the reaction he has. He has bumps, hives. He usually gets this to pork. Okay, my little love. Good afternoon, everyone. We've been so busy trying to take care of the dog. With his sickness and stuff, I totally lost track of time to get Selwa a gift. So I'm on my way to get her something. About to head home. I got the gifts, secured the goods. I ended up going with a purple color. I feel like the blue was a bit much. I ended up getting her this. I really hope she likes it. I also got her some extra film because it only comes with 12. She's mentioned to me that she's wanted to get back into drawing. I got her a school set drawing lead pencils. I got her a sketchbook. I got some colored pencils and a journal so she can start journaling as well. So I don't need a BRB. I got you guys on a stand right now.
Cutting.
Let me have the first taste.
Do I have to speak this?
Happy birthday, dear Laura. Cake, Laura. Yay! That's nice. So I got her some arts and crafts. And this one is a journal, so you can start journaling. It's an Instapix can. But we love you so much, Laura. You're so dear to us. It's not about the gifts, but we just want to see you succeed. We want your future to be good. So continue to uskai, faiga ko fe'au, and be a good girl.
Thank you.
We love you. Big hug. I've got more breasts there. Oh, gotta fight. Morning, guys. It's been quite the week. Our dog here hasn't been the greatest. We thought he was getting better for the last 2 days, and we're going this morning to take him. We're so tired, we've barely had any sleep, just because I was like, is he gonna make it throughout the night? We did have the option of going to emergency, but we didn't want to go back to the vet that we went to. We wanted to go to somewhere my work friend recommended, so that's where we're going this morning. I guess if you don't have pets, it's probably, you can't really relate. The same feeling you would get when your child is sick. I know dogs and kids are not on the same level, but he's our only little baby boy, and he's on that level for us.
Yeah, it's so sad to see my dog sick.
They didn't have an availability where my friend had recommended, so we have to go back to our local vet. SV Squad. We're on our way to Sydney, all the way up north, northern beaches, which we absolutely love and would love to retire there one day if the bank account permits it. If Aussie finishes dealing all his money. I'm just kidding, guys. He's such a liar, but you know, like, that's the only way I'm thinking, like, how can we get so much money to live there? Anyways, I'm just joking. But that's where we're on our way to. We're about an hour and 12 minutes out, going to watch Beck's game. We're staying the night there, which is such a nice little getaway for us. It's just a tiny one. We used to do staycations a lot. Almost every weekend would like go somewhere, long weekends I mean, would always make use of it and go somewhere. And Celoa's at home with her baby brother, Bear, her little brother. Actually, she's out and about today. She's gone to watch a rugby game somewhere back at home, but it's great. Like, I don't want to speak for too many island families, but I know that a lot of our islander families, we love our kids, we love to shelter them, we love to nurture them, keep them in the nest as long as you possibly can, but it doesn't help us in the long run. I'm so big on independence, like independence. Teach them, because then when they're at a certain age in their prime, they're able to do things. They know how to do things. They can be on their own. They can travel. They can this, they can that. Independence with wisdom. So that's something that I really encourage Celoa, is to be independent. Like,
Go travel.
If I can say that in English, it's like make your mind older. Be mature. It's like mature. Yeah, because that's just one thing that I notice about us islander, our lovely island families. We love our children, we love our families so much that we want to shelter them from the big bad world, when it has its pros and cons. But anyways, she's good. She's independent, out and about with my cousins. She might go to the mall later. So Australia is the only place where I know of that has the sun and the moon shining at the same time. That's the moon right there, and it's 1:55 p.m. I think that's it right there, just above that cloud.
So yeah, we're gonna just go there and then have a little getaway. Just one night at least, you know, refreshing our mind from work. Just a little getaway, just one night.
Hey guys, I just got back from the shop. I don't think I vlogged the process of me making my fur. I did on my Instagram, so if you want like frequent updates from me, follow me on my Instagram. It's Vicolia Key. Guys, this was just too good. This used to be this size, and I just can't, like, do you see how juicy that is? This is a brisket from my fur. It's just so tender and so flavoursome from my fur, which is still boiling away. This is most of my soup, my fur soup. The fat has just risen to the top, but also I skimmed a lot off so that I could add it and control it as I heat it up. I just got back from buying all the garnishes. I'm such an anti-MSG person. There's so much research out there. So many people have the argument saying MSG is only bad for those who can't tolerate it or digest it or some crap like that. Other studies say it's carcinogenic. I don't know, but in order for my fur to taste nice, I went and got it. And I also got some rock sugar, which I will put one of these blocks in. And then as I'm getting home to soak my rice sticks and stuff like that for dinner tonight, homemade pho, I get a text. Is everyone free for dinner at Eagle Hawk? My brother's shouting everybody. How could you turn that down? Like, I'ma be there. So, no, but for real, I did contemplate like just sticking with my fur. Who can turn down a free meal with your family? I don't know if I showed you guys, but I also bought a new MacBook Pro, 1 terabyte. I haven't opened it yet, and I've had it for like 2 weeks, just because I'm waiting for my old one to go kaput. It's still pretty decent, and I have everything saved on it. The only reason why I bought that is because the storage on my current one is trash bag. Like, even trying to edit a vlog, I can only sometimes edit half a video, or I have to split it up. And so it's really annoying when I have like a vlog that I want all the videos to be in one vlog, and I can't because it doesn't have enough memory. I look really tired, and my eyes are kind of like swollen, but it's also because I was crying today. Just a random crying at a stranger's video on TikTok. Long story short, the video was a sister who lives in Australia or New Zealand. She like pays for her siblings' education fees. He had just graduated college, and he sent her a lovely message of thanks. It was so touching and so mature of that kid to thank his sister for doing that. I just thought it was great. So I was sitting here bawling my eyes out, and I'm like, the heck, I don't even know these people. I had to stop watching because like the tears were really coming, and I was ugly crying. I don't know, I'm probably just going through it. I've had a long day, a long weekend. Morning, guys. Oh my gosh, it feels like I haven't told you guys anything, but it's because I tell my Instagram story. So if you're not following me on Instagram, head over and follow me right now. What are you doing? I'm officially on leave. Well, this is day 2 of my leave. I took a week off before we jet off to our holiday destination, and yesterday I didn't even vlog it, although if you do follow me on Instagram you would have seen. I went to Floriade. Floriade is an annual flower festival that Canberra have, with heaps and heaps of flowers, a lot of tulips, and that's the first thing that goes. So I went for a walk around the lake, and then I stopped at Floriade, and I didn't go prepared. Everyone brought these shovels, and I was just on my hands and knees digging. So I just redid my nails last night. I'd be doing my own nails at home. So I wanted to show you guys what I got. I did do a bit of gardening, and I have rearranged my backyard just a tiny bit. I'm gonna tidy up. Yesterday was a productive day. Sorry, I'm just listening to Gracie's prayers. So I do my own builder gel nails at home now, saving hundreds of dollars, to be honest. So much to catch up on, guys. I just recently, I like pulled a muscle in my back when I got up from my desk at work, and oh my gosh, I've never felt such pain before. Like, it just progressively got worse. I started thinking I had a herniated disc, but it wasn't. It was just muscles strained. So yesterday I had the day with Sarah Laura, went and did her lashes and did a shopping. I went to Floriade, went for my walk, cord settling for my parents. It was such a productive day. And then I took Bear for a walk. And then today I got up early, did my nails. I'm about to go to the back and plant all the tulip bulbs that I got from Floriade yesterday. This is my backyard, guys. I created this little garden a couple weeks ago. They look like an onion, but now they're like really growing up. And my bulbs, these are the tulip bulbs that I got from Floriade. So I'm just going to plant them. I don't know if they're going to grow. They won't grow this spring. It's too late now. But they'll die down naturally. I should have some tulips next year in this area.
Hardship.
Looking good, guys. Just finished my walk and I came to pick up my mother to do her nails.
Hello?
Mum, where's your car? Hey you guys, Aussie's at work, so we're gonna go have dinner. Laura and I probably see him there in the city, but come along with us. Should be great. I've had such a busy day, running around everywhere, packing, getting ready. I'm really excited. We actually haven't taken a holiday pre-COVID, I reckon, or pre-buying a house. So Laura and I, we love the prawns at Civic Pub. It's actually so nice. We're going to show you guys tonight. Aren't we, Laura?
Yeah.
It's such a beautiful day also. Let me turn this off. I opened this up because we that girl. I was like, you didn't eat the other one. Well, you were going to get something small as well. We finally found a table. It was such a mission to try and find a table. Wanted to sit outside, but we couldn't find one outside. I ordered the prawn skewers and some chicken wings. I don't like the lighting in here.
Can we order wings? Yeah. The sauce? You can feel it?
It's got like an actual face toy.
Yeah. Like you can feel the back.
Yeah.
But the one from Shein is like flat.
Yeah. Guys, Laura ordered the kangaroo. I just saw myself. That's kangaroo for you. Just tastes like normal meat.
Yeah, it does.
Oh. Is it a little bit more chewier?
Yeah.